Lisa with WTI.
I don't know about you, but I tend to be pretty cold most of the time. That's why this Grace KARIN Essential Solid Open Front Long Knitted Cardigan has worked wonderful. This is perfect for everyday use. You can literally dress it up with a beautiful dress, or you can have it dressed down with some jeans and have that extra layer your body needs. I love that this is super comfortable, super versatile, and the material is very stretchy and breathable. Not too thick or too thin at all. This comes in a variety of beautiful colors. I chose the black one. I really like the 2 pockets on the front as well to carry either your phone or any essentials. You're going to see that this comes from a size small to a triple extra large. So if you're looking for that extra layer that will keep you warm and cozy, but at the same time look elegant, I highly recommend you to check this cardigan by Grace KARIN.
And that is my point of view.